Walter here, tinkering in the basement today on my rifle rest project. Last night I did a little routering, and I had made such a mess. I had this smoke detector up here going off, and I'll explain that in the video. But I appreciate you stopping by, and I know my little project on rifle rest hadn't seemed very interesting to date. We're getting real close to the final assembly. This is going to be part 7. I appreciate you tuning in today. Just enjoying a diet right, pure zero. It ain't got no sugar, no calories, no sodium, no nothing. But it tastes kind of like tangerine juice. You know, you can't even drink a Coca-Cola or a Sprite. What, it's got sodium in it. When you're on a low sodium diet, you gotta watch your salt intake. Last night, I dragged out my router from my project, my rifle rest project. Didn't have a jig set up, so I got these 2 pieces of oak here. And I just free-handed this with my router. I only got 1 bit, and it's kind of dull. I've got more bits, but I can't find them. Let's put it that way. So I need to sand this out today and get it where my, I'm not even sure if I cut it deep enough. But when I fired off this router last night, I haven't used it in years. It's been put away. So I've lost the knack of really being experienced at using this thing. I just adjusted this to the depth I thought would be adequate for half of that thing, and bolted my pieces down to the table, kind of lined up the best I could get them. And I'm a little snug, but I think with a piece of sandpaper I can fix that. But anyway, what I was driving at, when I fired off this router, I don't have an exhaust system down here. But you wouldn't think there's much sawdust and shavings in this little slot I cut out here. You would be wrong. I had sawdust flying everywhere. This dull drill bit in this hard oak was making smoke. Smoke detector went off behind me. The wife's upstairs on her computer. She plays those pogo games. She had to come see if the house was on fire. So any more routing, I guess I need to do it in the basement. Do it outside the basement area. I had to spend an hour with a vacuum cleaner cleaning all this mess up. Well, I didn't have to, but I did. So today, we're going to sand this a little bit, take it apart and see if I've cut my groove deep enough. It looks like I might be halfway. No, I think I'm going to have to shave it a little more. Son of a gun. Well, if I do, I'll take it outside and do it. Unless I just get real vigorous with the sanding paper, that might work. Let's see. Here's a sanding disc that was laying around. I'll probably never use it. Let's cut that up and use it to sand with. It's rough. First, let's see if it works. I was too precise on my depth control with the router. A little bit of sandpaper and you're going to make it quite adequate. I think that's going to work good, my friends. Let's see what we can do with this sanding block. Yeah, I just free-handed this notch, but doesn't have to be all that accurate. Have a slot gliding up and down. I need to get me some new router bits. I wonder if Harbor Freight sells any router bits, and if they do, if they're any good. It's doing better already. Just got to get a little deeper. That's going to slide really good. My width is fine. I just got to change my depth now.